Bullying. It hurts.
And it hurts everyone involved. The people who get bullied,
Those that bully,
the people who see it or know about it can hurt too.
It might seem like someone who bullies has all the power, but they don't.
Kids like us that see bullying are really important.
when we are willing to say we think something is wrong, we can make a big difference.
If we see bullying happen, we can make a difference. So what can we do? Tell an adult you trust.
Telling is not tattling.
It is not being a betrayer.
Speaking up is not backstabbing, it's just being a good friend.
Telling adult is important because it keeps all kids safe. Your words matter.
Or you can help someone that is getting bullied, so an adult.
Talking about being bullied can be hard. Being with a friend helps.
If it's safe, you can help get someone away from this situation.
Be a friend to a kid who's being bullied because actions speak louder than words.
Walk them to class and ask them to be your friend.
Bullying back doesn't help anyone.
Hang out together and be a buddy, not a bully.
Tell them no one deserves to be bullied.
No one deserves to be bullied.
This shows you care, that they're not alone.
If you stand up, you can make a difference.
Be kind to everyone and be a good role model for others.
Talk with adults about ways to prevent bullying.
Together we can change what's happening.
Take on bullying because everyone deserves to be safe.
Bullying hurts everyone, and we could all do something to prevent it.
Together we can make our schools,
Communities, and online places safer for everyone.
Speak up.
Reach out. Be an upstander, not a bystander.
Be a kid for Concagh.